Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you actually have usable 5G where you live. Use a phone or signal app to read RSSI and identify the band, because different bands behave very differently. Once you know coverage, verify your carrier offers a home 5G plan or fixed wireless option for your address, and order the correct SIM or service. Meanwhile, get a compatible 5G router or gateway, check firmware requirements, and have an Ethernet cable ready so you can swap hardware quickly. Next, install and optimize your antenna placement to maximize throughput. You want line of sight or the clearest path to the tower, so test near windows and higher elevations. Use a quality external antenna and low-loss coaxial cable. Make sure connectors are tight and weatherproofed. Cable length matters, so measure loss in meters to choose the right model. Once connected to your 5G router, run a series of speed tests and make small adjustments until the signal and latency stabilize Finally, configure your router for real-world use. Position it centrally in the house to reduce dead zones, enable the carrier-recommended bands, and set CoS rules so video and voice get priority. Secure the network with WPA3 or WPA2 and a strong password. Disable unused services and remote admin access. If you run into problems, try simple fixes first. Reseat the SIM, check connectors, rotate the antenna, or replace the coax. If performance still lags, contact the carrier to check radio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.